Did water damage your home or commercial building? The first thing you need to do is shut off the power to areas affected by water. Do not go into rooms or areas where the water is higher than the electrical outlets or any baseboard heaters. Keep children, pets, and the elderly away from the water. Then call your local water damage restoration company to prevent any further damage. We are working 24/7. We respond in 30 minutes or less and come on site as soon as possible. We are the fastest water damage company in your local area. Call us now and discover why over 1,000 clients have used our affordable water removal services. We will take care of everything for you and bill your insurance company directly. We also do everything in our power to prevent the growth of mold. Call us now.